Guys, this is crazy. We just came outside to play. We just finished playing, and then we saw these. I had my phone. I was gonna make a video about us playing. Phone died. But look it, that's what we were just playing with. Oh my god, we saw this. We saw the battery and 2 ketchups on the floor in the street. We are not picking them up. But when we were looking, one got ran over, went in the air, splashing ketchup. And it has a rip in it. It wasn't open, I promise, guys. My cousin's gonna go get that white one. Y'all can see it. We're not touching the other ones, because that one already got exploded. It wasn't us that put this there.
It doesn't even have a tear in it.
Yes, it does. Look it.
Oh, shoot.
Open it, mommy.
No.
Look it. Literally, we can't open that unless we had scissors.
Ew.
And we did not have no scissors.
And that red
Literally, and that red one got exploded. And look at, poof, the tear thing is still there.
What chair thing?
The tear thing.
Oh.
To tear the ketchup. It wasn't open.
Dang it.
We're going to try to see if another one will blow up. I wish we got that on camera, guys. But that's crazy. A car, like a blue car, got splashed by it.
And there's a battery.
Yep, there's a battery there that's half broken. We took a close look, then we saw cars coming. We're like, no way! We're not grabbing those. And then, this is just crazy. Oh, God, guys, I'm just so sorry. I can't believe how crazy this is. Oh, my God. Guys, I hope y'all subscribe. Just like the video. This is just crazy.
But we need to
I can't believe someone would do that.
We need to show them what will happen.
Yeah, we're gonna try to see if the car comes by.
You even got on video.
Boy, we have proof that the ketchup exploded. This is not our car, guys. Oh my god. The ketchup exploded. Remember that white pack? Remember that white pack in the red one? They flew in the air and exploded. And exploded right there. There's one right there. There's some right there. There's some right there. Crazy. It's not fake. I promise. I promise. Huh?
This is all fun. There's no stuff on it.
Yeah, because it splashed that way. I thought we were going to hit the car that ran over. We were like, oh my god. Oh! And I found a quarter.
Oh, that's fine. I even have proof. Look. I have proof that it's my quarter.
Here, have it. Run, quarter, run! Guys, I'm going to do some more extreme videos like this when I find stuff. Oh, God. There's literally jacks of it. Boy, wait, where is it? Boy, it's ketchup everywhere. There's a tiny bit right there, but look it. Ketchup everywhere, not fake. Guys, I won't do this to someone else's car. Crazy, guys.
So maybe do it to my car.
No.
Yeah, you will.
Mommy, I'm going to show them the car, but you got money. In front of the car, you got to stand in front of the plate number. Okay, guys, I'm at my cousin's house. This is literally his car. He's covering the plate number. No one's going to track him down. Sorry. Literally, this is his car. Didn't get damaged. This is that car. Damaged.
Plate number, so we can't. They can't be a swap. We only have one plate. We only have one plate.
Cool.
Oh shoot!
Come on, let's see. No, the car didn't turn. Okay, guys, we're gonna show you it. Okay, guys, when the car comes.
Car coming.
Oh, the car's coming. Come on. It's right there. It's right there. It's right there. It's right there. No, missed it. To the end is clumsy. Missed it by an inch. Money, move it over a little bit.
Wait. No, I don't want to touch it. I don't want to touch it.
Okay, we're not going to touch it at all. We're going to move it, but then, no, that's just disgusting. We touched the smash one because views. It's weird, guys. The end of the video is going to be a pop of another car. Guys, oh my god. I can't believe someone would do this. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. This is crazy. We'll tell you when another car comes. Boy. Yeah, guys, when this happened, we forgot to show you this.
This is even
But look at this.
waterproof.
Explode on my jacket.
Oh my god. Yo, this is.
I'm gonna
Cover my plate number. Cover the plate number.
Oh, go.
3D action shot.
No, the car's not doing that.
Zoom in on that. That's okay.
Look at, do you see them?
I need a.
That's
They
that.
only can see one part of my plate number, which is D.
No, don't tell them anything. Okay, guys. We'll go back when someone's coming. Guys, this car's not turning. Let's see if it runs it over. Missed it! Y'all couldn't see that, but it literally missed it. Wait. Oh! Guys, if y'all see that, another car's coming. Hopefully it doesn't turn. Nope, it turned. I'm going up for closer. Yeah, they haven't been smashed. There's still ketchup inside them. I'm not grabbing them. Yeah. We'll come back when another car we think is coming, but they're not. Okay, another car, guys. Mr. Binance. Ah. Okay, we'll tell you when another car's coming. Guys, I'm sorry. We didn't get that package out. A bike just ran the ketchup pack open.
Only one.
Yeah, I heard the battery crack too. Oh, another car. Another car. Another car.
Another car.
Missed. Okay. Guys, let me try to get my focus and my... Boy! Guys, y'all just saw it. Y'all just saw it. It literally ran it over. It literally just ran it over, guys.
Freaking my phone.
I don't know, money.
Go look, see if there's any more cars coming.
They're all ran over.
Oh,
Why?
Girls, I need my phone. I need my phone to...
Okay, guys, we'll go right back. My cousin needs to talk to me. Boy, that's... Guys, I can't believe it. Really, I can't believe it. Really, guys, I can't believe it. Really. Look at the crush. Oh, so's that battery.
I just went to look for my... See if my cousin had my phone. There's more packets.
Oh my god, guys. This is crazy.
No.
Boy. Action shot there, guys. Boy. Ran over. I'm sorry I didn't get to that zoom in. Ran over. Oh my god, guys. I can't believe that. Guys, we just came to eat food, okay? Look at this. My TV dinner is cooking. Yum, yummy. Oh, kimi, come on. Boo!
Oh, yep, I need to put my...
Hang on.
I'm about to go play some b-ball.
We playing b-ball. Hey guys, there's one right there. You saw the explosion, crazy guys. But I'm gonna post this. No worries. Bye guys. Oh, man, say bye. Say bye.
Can you create a new video? Yes, you did.
He crazy. Bye.